I'm just gonna start with you. Hola. Resident Evil 4 is getting a remake and the demo is out. I have watched nothing. I have seen no in-game footage or pictures because I want to live this for myself. I regard Resident Evil 4 as being the first game I ever hated because I sucked beans at it. But now that it is remastered and I am slightly better at video games, where my audio at? There it is. I haven't played a Resident Evil game in so long, man.
September 30th, 1998.
Oh boy.
It's a day I'll never forget.
My man Leon.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
I got like goosebumps.
Not that I
Look
had
at him.
choice.
Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, I had to fix my settings because my computer's a beast, but when I try to run something crazy and record it, it's like, But now we should be balling. Yeah, we already got the sneaks in. Look at this. What is this? Oh, it's a deer. I want to go in guns blazing. I want to fight something. This is what I came here for. Here we go. Many moons ago, this man has seen every emotion come out of little kid me. Every emotion other than happiness. I never finished Resident Evil 4. Let's go. Things about to go bad real quick. Hello?
Anyone home?
I knew he would ask something corny like that. Here we go. Who's up in here? What's this? What's that say? Judgment is nigh. That's not good. I'm waiting for the first thing to come and pop out at me. I'm ready. What's in here? Uh-oh. Watch out, Leon. Oh my gosh. No, he's chilling. Gun. 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 No one will know. Can you take him out? No one will know. That dude probably ate him or something, bro. Look. Now we're fighting. Now we're fighting. Come on. Get off of me. Oh my gosh. Where did that come from? Pop. You better pull it. You better pull it. He's about to and get back up. All right, we got the key.
This is not good.
I got 10. Bruh, you need more bullets than this. He's gonna wake back up. Let's get some soup while we at it.
Man, that stinks.
That's probably your comrade. All right, we gotta look at all the stuff. That looks like some sort of sloth or something. This man in here killing exotic animals. There's my homeboy. Bada bing, bada boom. Open it up. Leon not playing today. You see that roundhouse he just hit bro with? I'll hit any of y'all with it. Best believe. Whoop. That thing gonna bite me? Hey, 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 hey. Even Leon holds the flashlight cool. How did they let him in the police force with this hairdo? All right, homeboy, where you at? I do not need to be in this house any longer than I need to. I just said that twice.
Hey.
There he go. Uh-oh.
What's your situation?
Well,
What the hell's going on?
that's probably bro that you didn't shoot upstairs. That's homeboy. I told you.
No fucking way.
I shot him 3 times. Get your neck off. Do it again. Do it again.
This just keeps getting worse.
For insurance. You look like Uncle from Red Dead Redemption. And I wasted 5 of my bullets. All right. It's about to get hot. It's about to get hot. Where did he go? I don't know. I'm gone. This is not the way out. Oh, shoot. Where did he go? Bye-bye. Go, 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 go out the door. Leon! All right. Let's meet with Doom face to face. Bada bing. Hi, brother. Bop. Bop. How do I get my knife out? Wait, get out the door. Back up. Okay. Bonk. Boom. 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 Sit them down. Both of them. I got one bullet left. You got some bullets anywhere? I guess we go upstairs since I can't get out. See how my one bullet does me. Good morning. Oh, I just locked myself in a room with something crazy. Yikes.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village. Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Oh, I knew something. Oh.
Gotta go. Talk later.
All right, this has to be a headshot. How am I supposed to do this? I got one bullet. Oh. Well, we just woke all the other people up now. Look at you. I see how my one bullet fares me. Hello. Surely I'll find a shotgun in here somewhere. What's in this barrel? Perfect. That's all I needed. That's literally all I needed. Now sit back down. You just kicked that barrel for no reason. I need to help my homies. How long until he discovers I'm right behind him? Oh, he found me. Pop. Pop. Sit down. Boom. You too. Boom. Sit down. Boom. All right, so you're just gonna stand back up on me. I tried to dodge it. Get off me. Boom. He got on me again? Get off. Now I have to heal. This sucks bad. If it isn't evident, I haven't played a Resident Evil in a long time. I hear you. Boom. Come here. More handgun ammo for me. More gunpowder for me. Flash grenade for me. Why not? All right, let's get up in here. Do I need a key? Nope. Just go right in. Ah, okay. Everybody and their mother, literally. Look at the mother go. There go another homie. No saving him. That's the whole village I can go around. I need to be very sneaky because one bullet is gonna set this entire spot off, which is not gonna go well. Gotta use my Assassin's Creed skills. Get in here. All right, getting a lot of money that I really can't use right now. Oh. Don't turn around, don't turn around. Good night. Had to kill grandma there. I'll take your herb too. All right, we're making good moves. Someone's in here. Oh, that was close. Shut that door. Handgun ammo. All right, I'm just gonna start with you. Hola. Here we go. Good night. Good night. Good night. Okay. Okay. That didn't go as well as I thought it would. Kick him down. Boink. Kick him down. Boink. Oh. Kill her now. What's coming in? Oh. What do I do? I'm dead. Run. Run. I got nowhere to go. I am dead. I am so dead. I wasn't getting out of that one. I'm gonna need to re-up on my Resident Evil after this video. I'm about to re-download Resident Evil 7 and village. Get my game back on. I'm over here trying to have a battle moment. I feel like I have like a queue to go somewhere. In typical Resident Evil fashion, I could go into a room. It could make this a lot easier. My knife is about to be done for. All right, let's find out where in the world I'm supposed to be at. Bink. Good night. Get in here. Yep. I knew there had to be one building. All right, shut that down. Here he comes.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
All right, they're coming in. Here we go. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun.
Oh, nice.
I don't have any bullets, but shotgun's cool, I guess. Here we go. Bloop. I don't. Boom. 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 Sit him down. Come here. Oh, no. Come on. Boom. Come on. Boom. Come here. Boom. And you two. Did I just parry him? Run. Run. I need to breathe. Bonk. Reload. Come up. Boom. Come up. Boom. Boom. Okay. We got him. Oh no. Move. What do I do now? One by one. Y'all all about to die. One by one. I kick both of y'all. Bonk. How many of y'all are there? I'm just gonna run. Ow. Get in here. Oh. Get in here. Bonk.
Give me a break already. Huh?
They're being summoned. Here we go. I thought I was about to have to start that thing all over. Saved by the bell. What's going on? Alrighty. I can't imagine what's going on through this man's mind, man.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Wow. It took me way longer than it should have. That's okay. I made a lot of money, killed a lot of people. Cool. Well, if that says anything, it says that I need to get back on some Resident Evil timing. I forget how these games can go from just completely dull to just you are cornered and you are just, there's nothing you can do in like a millisecond. Should I play the game? That'll be all from me. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
What will be the sensei's next move?
You cannot stop this type of movement. Go ahead and subscribe to Shujin. You cannot stop this type of movement. Go ahead and subscribe to Shujin. You cannot stop this type of movement. Go ahead and subscribe to Shujin. You cannot stop this type of movement. Go ahead and subscribe to